Imagine a framework that connects any storage to Kubernetes and provides data protection with snapshots that can be backed up to AWS, Azure, or any other cloud you choose. In addition, it also takes care of data lifecycle management, optimizes data across different storage tiers, and can be easily extended to support other functions. This same framework also works for OpenStack, VMware, or any other platforms and applications. And best of all, it is open source and built by a global community and supported by a foundation with Toyota, IBM, Huawei, and other industry leaders among its members. For those who may not have heard about SODA Foundation, it is an open source data and storage project under Linux Foundation and supported by organizations you see here. Our mission is to foster an ecosystem of open source data management and storage software and offer a neutral forum for cross-projects collaboration and ultimately to provide end users with quality end-to-end solutions. The typical enterprise IT consists of individual technology stacks for file storage, VMs, backups, and so on. These stacks rarely interconnect and share resources, creating an environment full of silos that's difficult to monitor and control. Infrastructures often span multiple data centers, multiple clouds, and sometimes the edge. And this adds to the challenges in monitoring and control of data and storage. Some of the challenges would be like redundant or obsolete data taking up valuable storage space, performance problems due to data being placed in the wrong storage type, protecting data wherever they may be, and retaining and securing data for laws and regulations like GDPR. All this lead to operational inefficiencies and security risks. So how can we address these challenges? We believe the solution lies in an open data framework that provides a centralized view and control, connecting storage to containers, VMs, and other platforms. This framework should provide data and storage services such as block, file, and object storage services, backup and recovery, security and compliance, and so on. The whole idea is to unify data and storage management with a single open framework across the core, the cloud, and the edge. And for this to work, we need four things: open source, open standard, open ecosystem, and open collaboration. First, open source. The SODA community has made significant developments for the open data framework. ODF releases are published quarterly, and the releases are named after islands in alphabetical order. Key features developed from Pharaoh to Isabella includes heterogeneous storage management, multi-cloud, storage performance monitoring and visualization, CSI or Container Storage Interface plug and play, S3 object data lifecycle, and many others. The latest Gerber release focuses on cloud native data management, providing container data protection with application consistent snapshots. This diagram shows what ODF is about. ODF, Open Architecture, provides an open API for integration with platforms and applications, and offers plugins for seamless integration with Kubernetes, OpenStack, and VMware. Storage Profiles offers policy-based storage provisioning, data protection, data lifecycle, and other data management functions. Heterogeneous Storage connects via the dock through CSIs, Swapfish, and OpenStack, Cinder, and Manila interfaces. And these different storage, their performance can be monitored together using the SODA dashboard. The multi-cloud controller offers access to the various cloud providers through a single S3 interface, enabling operations such as object lifecycle across the different clouds. With ODF, users can easily build end-to-end solutions with any storage, any platform, and any cloud. In addition to ODF, we have also accepted 2 projects into Soda Foundation. YIG is a project developed by China Unicom. It is a massively scalable object storage that can scale up to exabyte level using Ceph clusters on its backend. It is in production use at China Unicom, storing a few petabytes of data. DAOS is an open source project led by Intel. DAOS takes advantage of next generation NVM technology to provide high bandwidth and high IOPS storage containers to applications. Next is Open Standard. ODF APIs are based on SNIA Swordfish standard. By leveraging Swordfish management profiles, we were able to speed up development and ensure interoperability with the Swordfish ecosystem. The ODF storage API includes storage provisioning with policies for replication, snapshots, and retention. The multi-cloud API supports the major cloud services and operations such as data lifecycle management. The monitoring API provides storage performance monitoring with IOPS, throughput, and other metrics. With API-first design, all functions are accessible and can be easily extended to support new requirements. So as mentioned earlier, storage can be connected to ODF with different management interfaces. ODF currently supports CSI drivers and also allow multiple drivers to be connected at the same time. And ODF also supports OpenStack Cinder for block storage and Manila for file storage. And it also supports the SNIA Swordfish as our native interface. So the next thing that we need is an open ecosystem. So to facilitate the growing and open ecosystem, we created the Soda Eco Initiative. It is a program to help projects develop, grow, and be adopted by end users. We launched the Soda Eco Initiative recently with these 4 leading open source projects: LINSTOR by Limbit, OpenEBS by Maya Data, ZENKO by Scality, and CORTX by Seagate. If you'd like to find out more about these different projects, you can go to the Soda website to find out. And the last thing that we need for ODF to work is open collaboration. The Open Data Framework is not an isolated system. Its purpose is to provide data and storage services to Kubernetes, OpenStack, and other platforms and applications. Soda works closely with these communities to increase integration and drive innovation. Earlier this year, Soda and SNIA signed a marketing partnership to combine our expertise for the advancement of storage management technology. Together, we will contribute to creating a more engaged and informed developer ecosystem and emphasize the importance of standardization of storage management APIs. We also recently entered into a deeper relationship with the Open Infrastructure Foundation. OIF has joined Soda as an associate member, and we have also joined OIF as an associate member. This partnership allows us to work closer to advance open data and storage infrastructure together. We also work closely with the CNCF community on Kubernetes, Prometheus, OpenEBS, and other projects. Soda and CNCF are working together to advance cloud-native data management and storage. SPC focuses on storage performance, which is important to help us standardize performance testing and benchmarking. We also work with regional industry organizations such as CCI, which is the Cloud Computing Innovation Center of India, JDSF from Japan, and CSI of China. So with open source, open standard, open ecosystem, and open collaboration, we believe ODF will be able to meet the needs of most end users. And to help end users unify data and storage management with a single open framework across the core, the cloud, and the edge. SODA, ODF, and the other projects are designed for end users. SODA end user represents some of the largest organizations and most innovative companies in the world. They provide guidance to SODA by providing real-world use cases and requirements, and SODA provides a neutral platform for them to address data and storage challenges together. So SODA just turned 1 year old last month, and these are the people behind the SODA mission. This party has been difficult for everyone, but the SODA community has continued to show its support and commitment. These are photos of some pre-SODA, pre-COVID-19 events held around the world, including the SODA forum that we held at the Open Source India Forum in Bengaluru. I appreciate the support from the India community and hope that we can get together again very soon. Before I wrap up, here are a few things I'd like to share. First, we are looking for SODA ambassadors to help spread SODA awareness. The key responsibilities would be to host meetups, give talks, write blogs and stuff. And the benefits will include $150 US dollars per month for the expenses. If you are interested, please email Sunil, who is our TOC member. His email is down below. And also, we are also looking for more vendors and users and other organizations to join so that the benefits are shown here. By joining SODA, we can advance data and storage industry together. So we did the SODA Data and Storage Trends 2021 survey in partnership with Linux Foundation research team back in April through May timeframe. CNCF, SNEAR, OIF, and many of our other partners are also our survey partners. We are preparing an in-depth report on the survey, and that should be ready in a few weeks. And if you're interested in getting the report, please sign up our newsletter or follow us on Twitter or LinkedIn or any of our social media. The Twitter and LinkedIn account is shown here at SODA Foundation. So this wraps up my talk. You can find more info about SODA on our website, and you can also download the latest Java release from our GitHub to try it out. So thank you very much for your time, and hope you enjoy the rest of this SNEAR SDC India conference. Thank you.